Hey everybody, Chef Anthony here, talking about steam ovens, talking about soft pretzels. It is that time of year. I am making some soft pretzels in our steam oven on convection steam 375. Check this out. The beauty of this steam oven is, we're getting that moisture in that cavity. And for a thing like pretzels, or for a thing like even just elevating more than vegetables, now we got great doughs in here. We got great options to really, take your steam oven to another level. Let's open up the door. I want to talk to you about it. So listen to that. So convection fan cooking, man, that is why it is golden brown from edge to edge. You see how nice this pretzel is? So to recap, we did the dough, right? Then we proofed the dough in the oven. We scaled the dough, and then we put it in here at 375 for about 8 or 10 minutes, and feel that. This is super soft. This is where we get the soft pretzels at. That's the steam oven, and that's the moisture in the oven cavity, really giving us that perfect texture, that perfect browning front to back. Look at, that's just perfect. This elevates your steam oven to the next level and really gives you more options to use. So steam oven cooking, soft pretzels are a game changer for this time of year. Hope you enjoy this.